Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about the Alaska Airline baggage rules. So let's get started. So first of all, when it comes to the carry-on allowance, passengers are allowed one carry-on bag with a maximum size of 22 by 14 by 9 inches, including handles and wheels, and one personal item such as a purse or a laptop bag for free. And when it comes to the checked baggage allowance, checked baggage policies vary by flight type and destination, and for most domestic flights, passengers are permitted one checked bag up to 50 pounds, which is 23 kilogram, and 62 linear inches. And when it comes to the exceed baggage fees, additional fees apply for oversized and overweight or extra bags. And basically, fees vary depending on the route, the flight type, and whether it is the first or the second checked bag. And when it comes to the special items and the sporting equipment, Alaska Airlines has specific policies and fees for items like the bicycle, the skis, golf clubs, and surfboards. Basically, you should contact the airline for additional information. And when it comes to the mileage plan, elite members of the Alaska Airlines mileage plan may receive an extra baggage allowance, waived fees, and priority handling. And basically, the benefits vary by the elite tier. So that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.